boys and girls, I'm just giving you a quick little video to show you how to get started on Homelink 6.7. I know that it says partial quotients again, so you're more than welcome to use Tuesday's lesson to answer your problems, or we can go back to the method we learned in school prior to leaving. So number 1 says the Carnival Committee has 360 small prizes to distribute to 5 booths. How many prizes will each booth get? And of course, it asks us for an estimate first. So I would actually round the 360 to 350. And I would write 350 divided by 5 equals, and remember this is just our estimate here. So I would look at my base number, and I know that 5 goes into 35 7 times. There's 1 0 on one side, so I know that my answer is probably going to be about 70. And then I have to write my number model with an unknown. So I would write 360, because that's the actual number, divided by 5 equals P. And again, you can go back to the way we divided on Tuesday, or you can go back to this method. So my division problem would look like this. I know that I have to make 3 boxes to partition my rectangle into 3. I know the number on the outside is 5, and I'm going to fill in my boxes. I'm going to put a 3 here, a 6 here, and a 0 here. And then I have to decide, can 5 go into 3? The answer is no, so I would write a 0. Now keep in mind that we're going to divide, times, subtract, and bring it on up. So we're going to keep following that in order. So first I divide it, I multiplied, and the answer is 0. 5 times 0 is 0. Now I'm going to subtract with a 3, and I'm going to bring it on up and bring it on up. So now we're looking at the number 36. And I have to decide, how many times can 5 go into 36? Well, then answer is 7. My next step is timesing. So 7 times 5 is 35. My next step is subtraction. 36 minus 35 is 1. And then we bring it on up and bring it on up. And now we're in our last number. We have to decide, how many times can 5 go into 10? The answer is 2. Again, we're multiplying. 2 times 5 is 10. We're going to subtract. Remember, numbers the same. 0 is the game. So my answer ends up at 72. So then I would write down my answer in the bottom, which is each booth would get 72 prizes. I hope that's helpful and gives you a good start. And we'll talk about it when I see you in the meeting. Thank you.